Hey guys, hey people all over the world. I just want to show you the final installation of my cheaper closet. They already done putting the doors, the three doors, and that's I open it because I just let the smell comes out because since they just only using the cheapest wood, so they put those kind of liquid that they said it can kills the insects that can destroy the cheaper wood that they are using. So we're only using the cheapest kind of wood because we cannot afford to buy the expensive one. So so that I we can get a closet, or I can have a closet here inside my room. So we decided to use cheaper only, but they just putting this type of liquid just to let the insects kills once they used to start eating the woods, because they can easily destroy it because this is only the cheapest wood they are using. So this is it. This is the door, first door. As you can see, that closet is taller than me. And this is the second door. So that's it. That's how it looks. And the third one. So that's how it looks now when I close the three doors. And this area here, this is the hanging area where I can hang my switcher, my jacket, my pants, and it's up to there, kind of longer. And there's also space here where I can put my shoes, my flip-flops, or bag. And then there's another one here. I can put there my blanket or pillow, anything that I wanted to put in there. So I have to open this back so that the smell can moist outside, like that. So the only thing lacking to this closet is paint. And then after painting, after applying paint in this, that's how I'm going to start my clothes to put in there. So please don't forget to click and subscribe to our channel, as I'm going to upload more videos ahead. God bless us. Take care, guys.